Hello, YouTube. Today we are going to Knowlan's family farm and Bollinger Mill State Historic Site. The Knowlan family farm is a family-owned orchard. They have a fall festival kind of stuff going on this time of year, and the historic mill is just a really old mill, similar to a grist mill.
One thing about the Knowlan family farms is they don't really have a festival per se. On the weekends they have all kinds of things for children and families to go out and pick apples. They do cider pressings, they have a zip line, they have all kinds of goods for the family to do, and it's every weekend. Hello. Hi.
How can I help you?
Here, and there's so much here. I think so. Oh, see the goats.
Yeah, we can pick them and give them to the goats.
Yeah, they said we could eat some. It's got a hole in it.
Huh?
Are you gonna?
Or cord you picking?
Well, I was going to get that one.
It's got a hole in it.
It's
How
got
do
a
you see
hole
that
in
from
it.
here? That's where the worm lives. I've seen enough apples in cartoons to know.
Yes. Huh. There's some more. I think Fuji's, are they red or pink apple?
You're looking at them.
Or blushing. These are so pretty.
Yeah, they're neat looking apples. Uh-oh.
Oh no!
That one was rotten anyway.
Do you want one? You want a Fuji apple?
I don't. That's almost like health food and not my gig. You know what I mean? Am I the only one?
Here. I got 2 apples. And
I think that's
Gold
enough.
and Gold.
You over there?
Well, did I see Cortland?
Just like the oranges of Florida, a different variety of apples ripen at different times throughout the year. And we're here in mid-September, so the varieties that are ripe and able to be picked include the Ultra Red Jonathan, Cortland, Johnny Gold, not related to Juggalo, Empire, Snow Sweet, September Wonder Fuji, Ultra Gold, Wine Sap, Enterprise, and Matsu. Since we're not in a position to can or jelly the apples, we only picked a few.
There's
Sort
the
of a small
Cortland.
can, isn't it?
Not really, no.
It's a little bit small.
Gold. Looks like
I think it might.
they're so cute. About that one way up there.
Want it? I might be able to get it.
Let me see here.
Here, want it?
I could get this one if you would rather.
I can see if I could.
Don't it look pretty?
One of the very tip top. Remember, I can't jump. Oh, so cool.
That's okay. You don't have to get it.
Well, I can jump up there, but
No.
I'm afraid what I'd come down on.
Yeah, that looked dangerous. I can get a small Johnny Gold. Here, look.
There you go.
That's a nice one.
Put it in with the other. They won't know what to charge us for.
No, it's $1.79 for all of them.
No.
So just remember that
$1.79 a pound.
Johnny Gold is the small one.
Ever the sucker for a cute face, we completely forgot about our apple picking expedition, and we started visiting what I really don't think are petting zoo animals before the GoPro overheated, and we lost the ability to record further. No interference with the GoPro.
I've got change. I can eat them.
Huh? Feed them? They eat money?
Hello, Liza, how do you do? I'm writing you a letter, I hope it reaches you. I know it's been a long time since you heard from me. I'm still kicking around here in Tennessee. I heard you got a new place, I heard you got a new job, I heard you got a haircut, and it looks real nice. Are you ever lonely? Do you ever think of me? I heard you got a new man, I hope it treats you right. And before you toss this letter away, There's something that I've gotta say. An aeroplane shooting across the sky can surely take your body to a new place for a while. But some things stay no matter where you go. Do you still love me, Liza, babe? Please tell me yes or no. When the world turns ugly, we turn inside, try to find a good thing.
So we took a chance on a little side street here in Burfordville. Don't step on it. Don't step on it.
what?
That snake. It was running away. I'm trying to get pictures of this. Oh, telescope it out there. It's on the telescope, right? It's scared. Poor thing.
I'm not into the commercialism.
Right.
I'm not into like turning this into Disney or Walmart. But why not take this opportunity? Because this is history. This is living history. And it's got everything set up. Recreate, produce the electricity, produce everything you need to make the modern amenities, and then fill this place. Right? You could put one store here, one store here, restaurant here, you know, just a lounge, cool, chilling out area here. Upstairs, keep going. You know what I mean? But keep the internal workings of it the way it is, and keep the history alive. And right next to this big belt that drives the wheel, have a row of socks that are handmade or something. You know, just sell it right there. sell the corn that is produced. You know, whatever they made there originally, sell that there as one of the stores, and then keep it up. And people are then gonna, you know, take care of it. And they're gonna, you know, put money into it. We're gonna get people out here so you don't have this falling apart.
Self-guided tours Tuesday through Saturday until 4 p.m. Well,
Hold on. Tuesday what?
Tuesday through Saturday. So
We just missed
is it 4 o'clock?
it. Look, there's a security camera. So we came back to go inside the mill. Let's see what's inside of it for everybody. Charlotte, what do you think is inside the mill?
Mill-like things.
This was big fun, big adventure. Big thanks for watching until now. Please like, subscribe, and we will see you again next week.